I have one message for President Trump. I'll see you in court. If allowed to stand, this order would endanger thousands of U.S. citizens who will be born in the next year, real children and families just trying to live their lives in peace. It would strip Americans of their most basic rights and the privileges they're owed as citizens. Children would be forced to live under the threat of deportation. The fear, anxiety, and trauma of that alone is enormously detrimental to their mental and emotional well-being. The executive order violates the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. It violates our U.S. Constitution. It also violates the Immigration and Nationality Act and flouts more than 125 years, a century and a quarter, of long-standing, well-established precedent set by the U.S. Supreme Court. The president chose to start his second term by knocking down one of our country's foundational, long-standing rights and disregarding our nation's governing documents.
Today, we got to talk about some wild moves by Trump that's got everybody heated. On January 20th, 2025, Trump signed an executive order called Protecting the Meaning and Value of American Citizenship. Basically, he's trying to end birthright citizenship for kids born to non-citizens. Yeah, you heard me right. This would mean if your parents ain't U.S. citizens or lawful residents, you ain't automatically a citizen no more. But hold up, 22 states, D.C., and San Francisco ain't having it. They filed lawsuits saying this order straight up violates the 14th Amendment. That's the one that says if you born here, you a citizen, period. Legal experts all agree you can't just change the Constitution with an executive order. You need an amendment for that, bruh. Most folks think the court's gonna shut this down real quick. They're gonna say Trump overstepped his boundaries. And let's keep it 100. Trump lying when he says the US is the only country with birthright citizenship. Over 30 countries got it, including Canada and Mexico, right next door. This birthright citizenship thing ain't new. It's been around since the 14th Amendment, after the Civil War, to make sure freed slaves were citizens. The Supreme Court backed it up in 1898. But Trump ain't stopped there. He signed 26 executive orders, 12 memorandums, and 4 proclamations on January 20th alone. Plus, he reversed Biden's stuff that was supposed to lower drug prices, so we might be back to paying an arm and a leg for our meds. And he ended remote work for federal employees. Everybody got to go back to the office 5 days a week. Oh, and he trying to rename the Gulf of Mexico to the Gulf of America. Mexico ain't having it. This birthright order would affect kids born after February 19th, 2025. So, yeah, Trump's trying to pull a fast one, but the people fighting back? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates on this mess. Peace out.